I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now go straight to Contacts. Google, Com or open Gmail and click the Apps grid to select Contacts. You need the correct Google account because Contacts live per account. Once you're on the Contacts page, scan the left menu for Undo Changes and confirm contacts are not hidden by labels. This first check saves time and prevents mistaken restores. Make sure you don't sign into a different account, because that will show a different contact set and confuse the recovery process. You'll often recover contacts using Undo Changes. Click it, pick a time point within 30 days and apply the restore. This reverses bulk edits quickly. If Undo doesn't help, open Trash and manually restore specific contacts deleted within 30 days. Alternatively, if you exported a backup CSV or vCard earlier, choose Import, select your file, and map fields correctly. This merges backups into your current list. Once done, review labels and duplicates to confirm entries restored as expected. Finish by tidying up. Use Merge and Fix to combine duplicates and verify contact details. If you still can't find certain contacts, especially after 30 days, import any older CSV or vCard backups you have and check other linked accounts like work or personal Google profiles. Make sure device sync is enabled so changes propagate to phones. If things go wrong, the single most useful tip is to restore the most recent backup you exported. Regular exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.